It was a warm summer afternoon in the small coastal town of Harborville. 16-year-old Emma loved spending her days at her grandfather's old bookstore. She adored the smell of the dusty pages and the stories they held. One day, while organizing the shelves, Emma noticed a strange, tattered envelope wedged between two books. Curious, she opened it and found an ancient-looking map. The map had strange symbols and a bold title, "The Lost Treasure of Coral Island." Emma's heart raced. Coral Island was a deserted place not far from Harborville. Her grandfather, Mr. Benson, walked in just as she held the map. She looked out for her friend and saw him coming. "Emma, Grandpa, look what I found. Do you know anything about this map?" "Mr. Benson, this takes me back. This map belonged to an old sailor who used to visit this bookstore. He claimed it led to a hidden treasure." Emma's best friends, Jack and Lily, entered the store just in time to hear the exciting story. "Jack, a treasure map? Let's go find it." "Lily, are you serious? What if it's dangerous?" "Emma, come on, Lily. Think of the adventure." The three friends decided to embark on the treasure hunt the next day. The next morning, the trio borrowed a small boat from Mr. Benson and set sail for Coral Island. The map showed strange instructions like "Follow the sun" and "Find the singing tree." As they approached the island, Jack spotted something unusual. "Jack, look, there's a small cave near the shore." "Emma, it matches the mark on the map. Let's check it out." Inside the cave, they found carvings on the wall and an arrow pointing deeper inside. The air was cold and damp. Lily hesitated. "Lily, are we sure about this? What if we get lost?" "Emma, don't worry, Lily. We have each other. Let's keep going." They followed the carvings until they reached a fork in the path. One tunnel was dark and silent, while the other echoed with strange sounds. "Jack, which way do we go?" "Emma, the singing tree. Let's follow the sounds." The trio chose the echoing tunnel, hoping it would lead them to the treasure. After what felt like hours, the tunnel opened into a bright clearing. In the center stood a massive tree with colorful leaves that rustled in the wind, creating a sound like soft music. Lily, it's beautiful. Is this the singing tree?" "Emma, it must be. Look, there's something carved into the trunk." Carved into the tree was a riddle, where shadows dance and water flows. Beneath the moon, the treasure glows. "Jack, shadows, water, it must mean a waterfall." "Emma, and we need to go there at night, when the moon is out." They marked the location on the map and decided to camp near the tree until nightfall. Under the light of the full moon, they made their way to the waterfall marked on the map. The crashing sound of water grew louder as they approached. Behind the waterfall, they found a hidden cave. Inside was a stone chest with intricate carvings. Jack and Emma pushed the lid, and it creaked open to reveal, "Lily, is that gold?" The chest was filled with golden coins, sparkling jewels, and ancient artifacts. But before they could celebrate, they heard a deep voice behind them. Mysterious man. Nightcap. Step away from the treasure. The friends turned to see a tall man with a long coat and a scar across his face. The man introduced himself as Captain Harris, a descendant of the original sailor who hid the treasure. Captain Harris, this treasure belongs to my family, but you three showed great courage and intelligence in finding it. Perhaps we can share it. After some discussion, the friends agreed to split the treasure. However, they discovered something even more valuable inside the chest, a diary written by the sailor. It contained stories of adventures, wisdom, and lessons about life. Emma. This diary is the true treasure. It's worth more than gold. The friends decided to leave the gold and jewels with Captain Harris, but they took the diary back to Harborville. Back at the bookstore, Emma and her friends displayed the diary for the townspeople to read. It became a source of inspiration for everyone in Harborville. Emma, adventure is about more than treasure. It's about friendship, courage, and the memories we create. The video ends with Emma, Jack, and Lily planning their next adventure, leaving viewers inspired and eager to learn more English. Did you enjoy this adventure? Not only did you experience a fun story, but you also learned new words and phrases. Practice them in your daily life and stay tuned for our next story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting English learning videos. See you soon.